Hey guys, it's Freedom News Now. On the next Cop Watch video, First Amendment Audit in Jackson, Michigan. On this Cop Watch, before I turn on the camera, cops roll in Code 3 looking for their perp. Cops drove past me as they saw a hard target, someone who knows their rights and will flex strong to defend and protect for all people. As I walked around the corner of the building, I saw cops had their soft target. He was a mentally ill homeless vet, and cops were demanding ID. Cops arrest homeless vet. ID refusal. Make sure you follow us for more police videos. Enjoy this Cop Watch First Amendment Audit. Make sure you like and follow. Thanks for watching this Cop Watch First Amendment Audit. Cops arrest homeless vet. ID refusal. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now, and we'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, we're out.